Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Leah.
And we're here today at Hull Farm, Ashwater, which is a fantastic country retreat. Great commercial possibilities.
And a great range of outbuildings with potential. So come along while we show you around.
So welcome inside Hull Farm, this spacious 4-bedroom property. And you join us here in the kitchen dining room, which is a really good size and it's light and airy. The quality of the kitchen is superb with solid stone worktops.
It's a high quality kitchen with recessed lighting and lighting over the island as well. It has an integrated dishwasher as well as this electric range auger with induction hob.
And here we are in the primary reception space, this really spacious lounge which is perfect for entertaining and south-facing, flooding the room with natural light.
At each end of the room there is a stone inset fireplace. One has a wood-burning stove creating a cosy atmosphere.
There's also space to escape in the light and airy sitting room.
The boot room has been extended and now encompasses a large utility room, downstairs WC and a larder cupboard, which completes the ground floor. Welcome to the master suite. It's dual aspect and it's a spacious room. It has the benefit of 2 walk-in wardrobes and an ensuite shower room with twin sinks.
There are 3 additional double bedrooms, all of which have either built-in wardrobe or cupboards.
There is also a family bathroom with shower over the bath.
The home has oil-fired central heating and external windows and doors are UPVC double glazed. The property is located deep within the West Devon countryside, just a short drive from the village of Ashwater, which has superb village facilities. There's also nearby Roadford Lake with all of its water sports and recreational amenities, and the A30 can also be reached within 5 minutes or so from the property, providing great access east and west.
This shepherd's hut behind me is Florence. Each shepherd's hut has a wonderful view over the valley and has its own individual log burner with kitchen area and a shower room.
And this one is called Charlie, and like all the other shepherd's huts, it's very well furnished throughout to a high standard.
Outside they all have seating areas to enjoy the beautiful view and dedicated barbecue areas too. Here we are in the summer house, which overlooks the pond.
Which has also some great facilities for guests. Our clients have created the perfect holiday environment for guests during their time here. There's even a pitch and putt as well.
And the shepherd's huts even have use of a shared sauna.
What we also have outside here, you'll see an extensive courtyard and these 2 barns in front of us that are block built.
They have a great potential for many things, including holiday lets or multi-generational living, subject to necessary consents.
There's also a large 4-bay carport with extra height, suitable for agricultural vehicles as well.
The vendors have set up a dedicated area, so if you have green fingers, it's a perfect area for growing your own fruit and vegetables. It currently has a chicken run, polytunnel and a greenhouse. Further outbuildings includes a large storage area, workshop as well as a laundry, currently used for the laundry for the shepherd's huts, and an external WC.
And if that's not enough for you, we also have here this additional significant barn.
With many opportunities for multi-generational living and holiday lets like the other barns, subject to necessary consents.
So there we are, we've seen all of the features of this really super country residence with commercial opportunity, development potential.
So if you'd like some more information, then contact us on 015 66 77 1919.